Hello students, in this video we will be looking at some examples of solving a simple linear equation. Now before we start, it is important to remember that an equation is a statement where whatever we have on the left hand side is always equal to whatever we have on the right hand side of that equation. Therefore, if we make changes to one side of the equation, we must do the same thing to the other side in order to keep things in balance. Now let us look at the first example. Here we want to find the value for x in the equation 2x minus 18 is equal to 14. But if you look closely at the equation, note that it has three distinct terms: 2x, minus 18, and 14. The aim here is to isolate the term in x on one side of the equation. Usually we isolate the term in x on the left hand side, and we place all other values on the other side of the equation. To isolate the term in x, we need to eliminate that minus 18 from the left hand side. But how do we do this? Look closely at what we're doing with the 18. On the left hand side, we're currently subtracting 18. So to eliminate that minus 18, we need to do the opposite operation, which is to add 18. But we can't add 18 just to one side. We must do it on both sides of the equation in order to keep the equation in balance. When we do so, we're left with 2x on the left and 32 on the right hand side. But we're still not done. We need to further isolate the x. Currently, we see that we're multiplying the x by 2. To eliminate that 2, we need to divide by 2. But we must do this on both sides of the equation in order to keep things balanced, of course. And in doing so, we're left with x on the left and 16 on the right. So the solution for this question is x is equal to 16. Let's look at another example. Here we're solving the equation 5x plus 9 is equal to 24. So we need to eliminate the 9. How can we eliminate the 9? Since we're adding 9 now, to eliminate it, we must subtract 9, but we need to do it on both sides of the equation. So if we subtract 9 from both sides, we're left with 5x is equal to 15. We still need to isolate the x. Currently, we're multiplying the x by 5. To eliminate that 5, what do we need to do? We need to do the opposite operation, which is to divide by 5. But we must divide both sides of the equation by 5 to keep it balanced. And we're left with x on the left and 3 on the right. So the answer for this equation is x is equal to 3. And we can simply check back our answers by plugging in the value 3 into the original equation to see if both sides are equal. Alright?